What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have some bulb remover tools. It's kind of like a pair of pliers with some rubber on there, which actually makes it easier to remove some bulbs. Sometimes if you can't get in there with your fingers, you can use something like this. If you just go up to the bulb, grab it, and then you can pull. And then if the bulb breaks, it's not gonna cut your hands or anything, which would be nice. You can reinstall the bulb, just like that. It's gonna prevent oils from getting on the bulb, which will prolong the life of the bulbs. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.